The white crocodile.
It was bred. Did you know that? The small ones are the only ones that move. All the big ones are chilling.
Yo, I'm sleeping.
We missed a snake fall.
Kaboom Viper.
Dang, that one's short.
There's a trade.
That's so weird. Hi, cat snake.
Very playful creatures.
If I touch them, will I die?
These are the strangest things.
Dory.
No brain. I guess they have a nervous system.
They have to. They move.
No blood. No brain, no blood.
No heart. How are these alive? Found Nemo, Dory.
And his dad.